Alright guys, what's going on? We're gonna be headed to Mexico tonight. We're gonna be racing this G80 M3 right here. Yeah, man's you want me to say your mods or no? So he has just what's it, JB4 on E30, a little bit of exhaust work on there, but yeah, these are just so cool. Look at them headlights, bro. And if you guys forgot, my car has a single turbo, the N54 motor. Basically got everything done to it. The only thing is just a tune. We're on about 18 psi instead of whatever. Oh my god, my coolant's leaking again. Gross. All right. Misfire. I had misfire. Guys, not much done to this thing. It's not even on like a real tune or anything in here. I mean, it is what, 60-70 grand more than my car. Right?
Well, it has a mid pipe which takes the secondary cats and 2 radiators.
Yeah, the BMWs have like 3 sets, right? Oh, 4. Yeah.
4 cats.
Yeah,
so we have the JB4. I have a flex fuel sensor here so I can run some e-meters. That's about it. Stock intake, stock.
Yeah, you open this up, I wouldn't think like it was, you know, tuned or anything.
Yeah,
but you can't tell. That's a good thing about JB4. Like a cop pulls this up, nah, probably won't give you state rep, you know.
The only thing that, if you know what you're looking for, is this.
Oh, that's different?
That's from the JB4.
Oh, this thing right here.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Yeah. Gotcha. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. I love this color, you guys. Can I look at the interior real quick? Oh, sorry. Yeah, look at that, you guys. That's what you get. You can either ball out or you can budget over there.
Still be fast though.
You know, as long as you put some time and money in it, most things can be fast. But yeah, man, this thing's so cool. I'm glad you called me out. But anyways, there you guys have it. The N54 single turbo. I'm running about 19 psi. And he is a JB4 E30. He said mid pipes. So basically, not even really a real tune. It's just a JB4. That's all they can really do right now, I think, unless you send your ECU in on those cars at least. But that's what he has done on his car. But we're probably making around the same horsepower right now. As many of you guys know, in my videos, if you guys follow my channel, I have a lot more tuning to do. I'm on like a self-tuned map, you know, so it's very bad. So it's misfiring, throwing check engine codes and stuff, blah blah. I couldn't use anti-lag today for whatever reason, so I didn't even try. I didn't try to do any anti-lag, didn't try to do any brake boost. So just kind of try to go off the rip and did our best that we can, and we did pretty good in my opinion. There were some of them were like, you know, good runs, some of them were not so good, but at the end of the day, we basically kind of were just door to door, which is really cool. Again, that car is hecka more expensive than my car, but again, at the end of the day, I'm pretty happy. I know I have a lot more room to go. I got another 10 PSI or so, which is a lot. 2 PSI in this car feels like a lot, and I know because I've done it before. But gotta fix the boost controller, so make sure it, because right now, like as you guys can see, it just stays on this 56 right here. And I kind of just had to guess and hope that we didn't, you know, overboost, which we didn't. I actually turned the boost down today just to make sure we didn't overboost. But without further ado, thank you guys very much for watching today's video on the G80 versus the N54 single turbo, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.